Want to know how I spend all day, all night up, always up, never CHUD juice. Everybody knows that I'm not afraid to name the juice, and I'm naming the juice tonight. The juice I want is CHUD juice. It's an amazing sports drink, okay? Amazing sports drink. CHUD juice is way better. If you drink CHUD juice, your penis will be way bigger than it currently is. I'm talking about big. Guys, you can order an entire case of CHUD juice for $14.89. It was $14.88, but they didn't like that for some reason. They made me change it. Guys, you need CHUD juice in your life. Every order of CHUD juice used for autism research. We're trying to figure out how to make sure every woman has autism. We're trying to give people autism, because if everybody has autism, nobody has autism. You'll go from being a soy jack to a gigachud, and a gigachud is the apex. You'll be up all night worried that you're going to get abducted by aliens, watching Quark Zone and Preston Dennett all night long, wondering when the gray aliens are going to show up and abduct you. CHUD juice. Break the conditioning with CHUD juice. You talking to me? You fucking talking to me? I'm drinking CHUD juice. Everybody wants CHUD juice. Look, they're drinking the CHUD juice. Why drink the system's Kool-Aid when you can drink CHUD juice? You must drink CHUD juice. The vitality and the energy. When they tell you to name the juice, the only juice you should name is CHUD juice. Every crazy, schizophrenic, psycho girl within a 3-mile radius will come to your house and will throw stuff at you with CHUD juice. Absolutely. You want a crazy, autistic, schizophrenic girlfriend, autistic and schizophrenic at the same damn time, then you need CHUD juice. Guys, there is nothing better. There is no better sports drink, no better energy drink, no better protein drink. It's all in one. It tastes like autism. It tastes like 4chan soy jack party. It tastes like the dark corners of Reddit that no longer exist anymore. It tastes like... This is the Kekistani juice farmed, born and bred inside Kekistan. That's where the CHUD juice, manufactured by the Chudites, a Kekistani tribe. Real, genuine, 100% real, genuine CHUD juice. It's, you can't fake this, okay? It's actually not a real product, but I do sell camouflage stuff, and the camouflage stuff is pretty cool. You can't get it anywhere else. I design my own camouflage products like a real CHUD, so you might want to check that out, guys. CHUD juice! Not a real product, but I wish it was. If CHUD juice was real, then I would definitely drink it. That's all I'm saying. You know, maybe we could meme it into existence, you know, make it real, you know. I'd drink it. If it was a drink, I would drink it. So, I'm sorry for wasting your time. You watched the entire video, and it's not a real product. But I do sell real products. I sell camouflage stuff, but what am I doing? I need to go to bed. Where am I? Does anybody notice the CHUD juice has the Urban Rhodesian camo that I sell on it? I think that's pretty cool. That's just me, though, you know.